Most advisors don't have a marketing problem, they have a clarity problem. If a prospect can't clearly explain what you do and why you matter, it's going to be harder to trust you with their money. Today, I want to walk through how message clarity, core values, and brand consistency directly impact trust and why this matters so much for financial advisors. Hi, I'm Bob Clifton, a scaling up coach at Advisors Excel. And before we jump in, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. We're putting out content every week to help advisors grow with more clarity, confidence, and consistency. Our advisors often think our message is clear because we live it every day. But some prospects don't speak our language. They only experience what's on your website, in your seminars, your emails, and your first meeting. When that message isn't clear and understandable, trust breaks down. And trust is the real currency our business runs on. Solution 1, clear core purpose. The heartbeat behind your business is your core purpose. When your purpose is clear, teammates know the why behind your business. That will resonate with your prospects. Strong brands like Apple, Nike, and Amazon do this exceptionally well. For advisors, this becomes the foundation of trust. It also helps you stand out amongst your competitors. To know and be able to communicate the why behind your business is the first differentiator. Solution 2, consistent messaging everywhere. Align website, seminars, brochures, and language used with prospects and clients. Consistency creates familiarity, and familiarity builds trust. When prospects see the same message they hear while interacting with your team, it reinforces your credibility, and that builds trust. Real quick, before we keep going, if you're an independent financial advisor that's struggling with everything on your plate, feeling anxiety about the future, or you simply don't have a clear plan or vision for your business, we have a solution with the Advisor Success Track. This custom roadmap built specifically for your business surfaces exactly what top performing producers just 1 or 2 steps ahead of you are doing differently. And it gives you a customized plan to scale. It takes less than 3 minutes to get started. Just hit the link in the description below to find your success track, and you'll walk away with resources tailored specifically to your business. Areas directly applied to your growth. And now let's get back to it. Solution 3, core value versus aspirational value. If your core purpose is the why, your core values are the how. Core values need to be lived out in the organization and easy to identify. Aspirational values are exactly that. We aspire to become these values, but it isn't being lived out consistently yet. Well, why does this matter? Prospects can sense when values aren't authentic. Saying integrity or excellence means nothing if the behavior doesn't match. Trust erodes when promises aren't delivered consistently. Decide on a handful of core values, repeat them often, and find ways to remind your team how we live these out. Solution 4, assuming prospects just get it doesn't work. Using industry language or vague explanations creates distance, not decision. Why it doesn't work? Well, if prospects can't clearly explain how you solve the problem, saying yes will be harder. Being able to describe how we solve the problem in simple and clear language is critical. Confusion creates hesitation. Have you ever described your sales process to a teenager? I'm being serious. Let me give you a challenge. Explain what you do and how you do it to a high school student. If at any point they seem lost or confused, this is a good chance to double back and simplify the explanation. Keep it simple. Solution 5, overlooking the first impression. The first impression is everything. Have you ever heard of the 7-second rule? I've heard it been said that we make a decision based on tone, body language, facial expressions in 7 seconds from the time we meet someone. Prospects decide very quickly if they can see themselves working with you. Misalignment between your words and actions damages credibility. Trust is either built or lost early. This matters for every type of advisor. Growth-focused advisors, clear messaging helps you attract the right prospects faster. Lifestyle advisors, consistency in your messaging reduces friction and wasted conversations. And legacy-focused advisors, living your values builds a brand that lasts beyond you. No matter your stage, clarity creates trust, and trust creates opportunity. Hey, if you found this to be helpful, make sure to subscribe for more advisor-focused insights. And don't forget to take the Brand Clarity Quiz link below. It's a simple way to see whether your message is actually working for you or against you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.